This is the Kisan K3 3-pocket currency sorter and discriminator. And in this video, we're going to talk about a feature called jam recovery. So let's say you're counting a stack of bills and you get a jam. Well, you have to take all your bills out, open the machine up, clear the jam, then start your count again from scratch. And if you're a long way into your count, that's kind of not a fun thing to do, to have to restart. So what jam recovery does is, if you're counting your bills, you get a jam, it'll stop, you open it up, clear the jam, close it back down again, and it'll restart from the point where you stopped. Okay? Now you would have to take the bills off the top to open it up and close it, then you put the bills back on top and restart. But how to turn the jam recovery feature on? So you have your screen, hold down the menu key, okay, type 0987 and hit accept. All right. Now, one word of warning: when you're in this back end menu, don't start tapping on things at random and changing settings and all these other things, because you can cause a whole lot of chaos and your machine's going to start not working properly, and you probably have to send it back to us, have us reset everything. Okay. So just tap on the things you've been instructed to tap on in this video, and try not to tap on other things. All right. But once you're in this menu, tap on option. Okay. And it has a whole bunch of lists of things to do. Down here, there's one option that says jam recovery. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. All right. If you tap on jam recovery, it'll light up with a check mark. All right. And tap back and back again. And now the jam recovery feature is turned on. Unfortunately, I have no way of jamming the machine to actually demonstrate it. But now that the jam recovery is turned on, if I were to run bills through and get a jam, I would be able to, again, take the ones off the top, open the machine, clear the jam, close the machine up. There'd be a prompt on the screen to tell you what to do. Click this button when you're ready to start again, put your bills back on top, and keep going. All right, so that's the basics of turning on the jam recovery feature, so that in future, if you do get a jam, you don't have to restart your counts. Again, this is the Kisan K3 3-pocket currency sorter and discriminator.